8:38 right now. What I have marked out is the 15-minute open range candle. As you can see, we're making some move to the upside after that downside yesterday.
Order filled.
I'm in the trade. I expect this market to be bullish after this drop.
Target filled.
We already broke out of that.
Target filled.
I'm just going to take the
Order
pullbacks.
submitted.
This could be
Order
the breakout
filled.
that people take.
Target filled.
So that's
Target
our 15-minute
filled.
range.
Order filled.
I loaded up on those. Comes back, gets us some
Target
more trades.
Target.
These are quick
Target filled.
scalps.
Target filled.
There it is. That's our 15-minute. That's usually a 5-minute breakout traders like to take. As you can see, our 15-minute is. We just broke this high here. It's the 15-minute candle.
Order filled.
Good with
Order
buying all
filled.
the pullbacks.
Order. Target filled.
That's the breakout. A lot of people take. That's the 15-minute range. This is our 15-minute range from yesterday. Is up here.
Order filled.
Our IBR level.
Target filled.
I'm gonna move this down here.
Order submitted.
If we could look at the
Target filled.
4 hour, that's the 4 hour. So that's a strong 4 hour candle there. That's after that drop. This is the open. It's the high of this day. And we just dropped. And that's a bullish candle. Usually we'll have, it's 1, 2. This was 3 really bearish candles there. As you can see this drop. Now we're making a higher high as far as the overall bigger time frame levels. 6 micros going up. I'm just going to scale into these trades here. I'm using micros. My micro 4 ATM strategy 4, 220, 2 at 40. Those are usually pretty quick as far as in and out of trades. So we're just taking the pullbacks in. We're 10 micros on the upside. It's 8:42. A few more minutes for the next 15-minute candle to form. The background noise is the Top Step TV I like to watch. Get the news off that instead of going to search for it. They usually are pretty good about letting us know what's going on.
Target filled.
12 micros going up.
Order filled.
We're in
Target
16.
filled.
We'll move these stops right below the.
Target filled.
We're in 12 micros. All of our take profits right inside the
Target
IBR.
filled.
10 more micros on the upside. After that big drop yesterday. Right there. The thing about micros is you can scale in and out of these trades. And since we're in 10 micros, even though if it comes down here, I'm going to go ahead and get in more trades because we've already broken to the upside. And whatever comes back down here is just a pullback to go back up. We'll make a higher high. We've got the pivot point up here, the IBR. These are all attraction levels. So you have 1, 2, 3,
Target
4,
filled.
5. $8:45 is the new 15-minute. So this is our 15-minute range right here.
Order submitted.
All we're doing is scalping 20 and 40 ticks. With the way NQ moves pretty quick. This is our 15-minute range. What I have on here is the give you the indicators I use again. Current day, price line, Fibonacci pivots, the EMAs, I've got the 200 and the 8 exponential. Also, the only thing I mark up is the initial balance range, which is the 15-minute range right here. 6. See, we've already broken this high. Yeah, this is just a pullback on the upside.
Order filled.
Trigger me in 2 more orders. Ten micros.
Order filled.
Scaled it in.
Target filled.
I'm going to scale these down here. This is still to the upside.
Target filled.
Let's pull back to the up. That's the overall picture right there. I'm good at taking the
Order filled.
orders right here because that's a 4-hour candle. If you have a 50K account, the drawdown on it is 2,500. So you can see right here, if you're looking to aggressively pass, which
Order
I'm
filled.
good with loading this up.
Stop filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
We're out of the 15. That's just a bigger pullback to go to the upside.
Order filled.
851.
Target filled. Target filled.
You're taking this as all pullbacks. This is a really strong candle, so we still got room to go up. And a lot of buyers who are buying, they're actually getting stopped out because maybe they didn't manage it right, but that's why it's good to look at the higher time frames. Even though this is a red candle, a lot of people are selling it, but the overall picture on just this is just, this could be a pullback going back up. So that's why our bias is buying this, because they broke out on the upside. So our drawdown went to about $1,000. Scaled into those trades. We're in 12
Target
micros.
filled.
See, that's a bigger pullback.
Target filled.
We're at 8 micros right now. I just scaled into those trades going up because this is a green candle. The new 4-hour candle will start in 8:53 right now in about 7-8 minutes. So that's why I'm buying this, because we have that 4-hour candle there that's bullish, even though the 15 is showing bearish. That's just a pullback to go up. Right now, there's our 15-minute range.
Target
Our
filled.
levels of attraction on this is the top of this IBR. You have support 1, Fibonacci support. You have the open. You have the high. Then you have the pivot point in the IBR level. So there's a lot of attraction points for this market to go up. Strictly price action. That's not giving into account if somebody comes out, news comes out, it's bad news, then it doesn't matter what type of bias or levels you have. I mean, that's just out of your control. 854. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this 60 minutes into this training video, trading the initial balance range. Because we started going on the upside, the 4-hour chart, 4-hour candle was on the upside, so that's why the buyers was buying the market. Go ahead and pause this until we get close to taking those out, or until the new 4-hour candle forms. 8:55, 5 more minutes. So you can see they tried to take it down. We did get out of the IBR, and now we're back in it. $8.56. $8.56. As soon as I see a little bit of green, I'm gonna probably scale in another trade here. So we got news coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and just buy this real
Order
quick.
filled.
As soon as it takes us out of those, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. Got news coming out. As soon as it takes us out of that order I just got in, I'm gonna close it because we already bought all these up.
Target filled.
$8.59. Got the next 15-minute candle fixing to form here. Okay, that's the new 4-hour candle. That's the 15 minutes.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled.
593.50 from those trades. Just waiting for another setup here. If we look at the 4-hour, there's the 4-hour. So we're still in the range. That's all green.
Order
Go
filled.
ahead and scale into this.
Target filled. Order submitted.
As you can see, we're still
Target
candle. We
filled.
have that wick to fill up. So I am good
Order
taking
filled.
these micro scalps,
Target filled.
going to the upside. What I'm doing is taking pullback trades on the 15-minute because the overall bias for me is to break this high. So all I
Order
have to do is
submitted.
scale in on these trades.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order submitted.
Just taking pullbacks on this 15-minute candle. So I want to get profits and just get out.
Order filled. Target. Target
They
filled.
took all those targets, 833. Just taking breakouts, pullbacks.
Order filled. Target. Target
That's how
filled.
fast NQ can move. This is our target right here where it wants to get
Target filled.
to. Okay, we're going to break
Order
that.
filled. Target filled.
Yeah, it's going to take that.
Order filled. Target filled.
I'm just going with
Target
momentum.
filled.
Break that upside.
Target
There
filled.
it is. All right, that's how you trade the IBR. I traded the range. The bias was to buy the market because we had that, and that is the 4-hour candle. That was the bias. After this move down, we may go up here and then make a lower low and break this low since we didn't go and break this high or back to the IBR. But if we get to the IBR level, this trades. This will always, if we get up here, we may go to the next IBR levels here and then start going up. after this aggressive move down. That was news. This was yesterday's price action. We never broke out of the high, so we came down and took this liquidity level here, and overnight just went trended down overnight. And then this 4-hour candle started at 5 o'clock this morning Central Time, and this is the new 9 o'clock. As you can see, it's breaking out of that right now. But that's how you scalp the 15-minute open range. My bias was coming to buy this, especially when you have this move here and the momentum was going up after that big move down. But that's how you trade the initial balance range, 1129, just using micros. We did get into drawdown about $800, but held the trade. All the move the stops below the IBR low and just held it for until it took us in profit. But that's a little video of how to trade a 15-minute initial balance range. When I come and look at this again, we'll see where the hour is at, and then we could take some trades there. So right now, we're done.